Is Wix better than Squarespace? Whether Wix is better than Squarespace depends on your needs and preferences. Wix is known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it a great choice for beginners or those who want maximum creative freedom. It offers over 500 templates and the flexibility to customize almost every element of your site. However, this freedom can sometimes lead to less polished designs if you're not careful. Squarespace, on the other hand, is renowned for its sleek, modern templates that are more design-focused and visually consistent. It's ideal for creatives, photographers, and businesses looking for a professional, minimalist aesthetic. Squarespace also offers strong blogging and portfolio tools, but its customization options are more limited compared to Wix. In terms of pricing, both platforms are similar, but Wix provides a free plan with limitations, while Squarespace does not. Squarespace also includes all features like e-commerce and analytics in its plans, whereas Wix reserves some features for higher-tier plans. Choose Wix for flexibility and ease of use, and Squarespace for design-driven, professional-looking websites. If this video helped you compare Wix and Squarespace, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.